This is what happens when you skate. Are you recording?
Yeah.
This is what happens when you skate. 24/7. No, not 24/7. See, this is what happens when you skate. 7 days a week, 8 hours a day.
It's waving at me.
And this is the solution. This. Watch close. Get a nice piece. Now, you could A, put stuff in the hole, or B, wrap it all around and look like a dickhead. I would wrap it all around, but...
And look like a dickhead.
Yeah, but this is what you do. You put it in there. Make sure it's nice and sticky. And you... See? Like brand new. And if it still comes out, you apply more. And this is the ghetto way to repair a skate shoe. Ha. Like brand new. I couldn't do ollies before, I can do it now.